Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your headphones driver on Windows 11. Yes, you can update your headphones as well as just follow the steps. So first of all, you have to go to search bar and type device manager. So type device manager. As you can see on the top here, device manager, open it, maximize the window. Now in the left side you can see the listed driver list, and you have to go to the first one, which is audio inputs and outputs. Just double click on it. Now you can see my headphones attached, which is Redmi Buds 5a. If your head you have to connect your headphones to the Windows 11 for updating this. So just right click on that, and you can see the update driver option here. Click on it. Now after clicking on the update driver option, you can see the two options here. First one is scan search automatically, and second one is browse my computer for drivers. So you have to choose the first one, which is search automatic for drivers. Click on it. Now in my case, I have already updated my Redmi Buds headphones drivers. You can check in your PC or as well as laptop. Then close this and again go to the search bar. And this time you have to search for settings. Open settings. Now in the left side you can see all the settings menu. Just go to the last one, Windows Update option, and click for check for updates. It will take few seconds. Till then you can like my video and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep bringing the best videos out there for Windows 11 Essential, and it will take something like 15 to 20 seconds to check if you got a driver for your headphone or not. Okay, you have to just wait and stay calm. It's taking some time. I hope you have liked my video as well as subscribed to my channel. Okay, as you can see, I got an update and it started installing. So guys, you can check in your PC whether you got an update or not, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.